Next question from Abu Abdul Fatah from Ghana. Is there a way or a manner that a non-Muslim can die which can lead him or her to Jannah? Very good question. Is there any way that a non-Muslim can do any action that will lead him to go to Jannah? The only thing that will make any human being or even a non-Muslim to go to Jannah is to agree that there is no God worthy of worship except Allah, and that Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, is the messenger of Allah. So before dying, if a non-Muslim agrees and proclaims and bears witness that there is no God worthy of worship except Allah, and Prophet Muhammad is the messenger of Allah, he will become a Muslim. So before dying, if he becomes the Muslim, as long as he doesn't do it in the last moment of death, when the Malakal Maut, when the angel of death has already come to him, and that time if he says, it will not be accepted, like as is mentioned in the Quran, that Fir'aun, when he was about to die, he says, I believe that there is no God but Allah. It's too late. So before the last moment when the angel of death comes, before that, by the 5 minutes before that, 1 hour before that, 1 day before that, 1 year before that, if the non-Muslim accepts Islam and agrees that there is no one worthy of worship except Allah, and agrees that Prophet Muhammad is the messenger of Allah, he will become a Muslim, and inshallah he will go to Jannah. All his past sins will be forgiven.